And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, what's going on? I think officially I'm changing my name to the Wizard. I'm the Wizard and Nick Stradamus. Looks like stocks are turning down in earnest. I think Bitcoin suckered everybody in this morning. Straight up, catch everybody short, right back down. So I've been a little busy, got here, started late, kind of busy with the markets. So going to start talking here. What's up, Pedro? Dead to rights. We're going to rent you guys. I think I'm on fire. So my desk is a mess. Got a lot going on. Trying to launch this Wyckoff China site, which is a lot of work. So Bitcoin, let's go to the charts real quick. Let's go back here and look at Bitcoin, 57,799. You can see here, going to look pretty ugly when we take out the 57.5 level. Ethereum, 1782. We sold that nicely at 1824. We'll take that after we had bought in 1734 below. I actually got some down around 1720. So we'll take that trade again. If we're turning down here extremely well, then we could see 1550 is probably a level I'm looking at. What's up, Steven? Give you a wrench. What's up, Lori, Craig, Joe, Gary, Dirk, Lloyd? So 1550 could be in the cards. We'll show that here. Let's go back to, if anybody wonders, I got my dog in my lap, so I spanked her last night, so today she won't get out of my lap. So here is Bitcoin USD, Bitfinex, Technometer, lower right, 43.4, which is right around neutral. Everything's neutral. I'm not going to go over this really. Ethereum, bring up one Ethereum. It's around 43 and change. What's up, Brad, crypto? Ethereum USD 43.5. Litecoin's around 42. Let's look at WWCI. We're looking for 40 here to get excited about buying anything. You can see, I think, as I've been stating, we're doing a triangle here, I think. Worst case, a flat. And much lower prices if stocks come under pressure. Hold on here, I don't know what that error was on my software. We'll come back to that. The Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index, same thing, it's going to be around 44. Nothing to report. Let's go back to stocks because that's what's starting to fall apart here. Here is our S&P SPY ETF chart. We didn't get totally up to overbought, but I said that we had an overbought reading in the Wyckoff Wave, the Dow Jones, get up there in the QQQ, etc. So I think we're rolling over here. Could have been 5 ways up. We could hold here and go to one more new high, but I'm starting to think that's not the case. I think put a fork in it. I think we're done right here probably. So we'll see how they act going into the close. We got 37 more minutes. So it could be done there. Let's go to DIA. You can see after spiking up earlier today, we've already had an overbought technometer at these levels, so we're right at the levels where we had to sell. So that could have been it right there. This morning's rally. Bitcoin ran up. Litecoin maybe 125. I'm not sure of that. I'll show that here in a minute. QQQ looking extremely weak. Higher interest rates starting to wreak a little bit of havoc here. No one's models are prepared for that, so we shall see what's up. Right, there's Nick. He sold BNB at 268.75, and BNB is at 260 and change. Another 7% winner. Ethereum, we had, I think it was a 5% something. QFIN has been extremely strong. That's one we want to buy again at some point. I'm going to show that. That one is interesting here. GDX, I'm so short. I would expect this to roll over, technometer back to 49. I'm long dust, which is short GDX, so hopefully that will continue. One call that hasn't been good is TLT, I'm long. I did say you could have added a little bit more yesterday. I don't like to add to losers. I think stocks fall here. Maybe the bonds will get a little bit of a bid. Try to recover some losses I have in TLT. But you can see the technometer's at 50. Doesn't act well here. If higher interest rates really spike here, if TLT cannot bounce, then it's going to crush the stocks here short term. UUP. Yesterday, everyone panicked. I was in the Discord stating that that wasn't that big of a move to get worried about. It really looks corrective. I'd said our technometer was major oversold. The most oversold it's been in a while. So today we're bouncing right back off the Fed news. Everybody sold the low in the dollar. Don't be a Gary. Now let's go back to our Bitcoin roadmaps, 4-hour Bitcoin chart. There is the most bearish count as we finished a 1-2 this morning. And we're headed sharply lower. I'm not going to go with that. Really, I'm going to stick with the triangle formation. Where is my... Let's go back to this here real quick. Clean that up just a little bit. The first chart is what I just showed, but let's change this over because I think I'm more inclined that we're working on a triangle. So we've had the A up, we've had the B. As I showed, this is nothing new to anybody who's been on this show. I think we just completed the AB this morning, and now we're headed down to probably 47, 48,000. That's my official call right now. So we need 5 waves down here from 60,000 down to 48. So that's what we're looking for. If we look at Ethereum, same type of thing. Let's call it the triangle as well. It could get much worse, but I don't think it will. And again here for Ethereum, I'm looking for probably something around 1500, 1550 maybe. I could see that happening. Then on Litecoin, I've showed this here. Same type of thing. Let's look for something down, possibly instead of that 125, that's the most bearish count. If nothing else, let's look at maybe something below 165, maybe 170. Anybody in our Discord knows I got to buy in there. I think I'm at 180 with the 170 bid. I probably will be lowering that. We'll have time to do that. So we'll see how that goes. Stock market at 230. NASDAQ down 348, down 2.58%. S&P down 46, which is 1.17%. So far, so good. Let's go back to a couple stocks. QFIN, that's one I was bought the low, sold too early, as you can see on the chart. And that thing is staying firm. Hoping it comes under some pressure, which I would think it will. If we go back to the 9-month chart, this is a pretty sweet Wyckoff setup. We had the preliminary supply, buying climax, automatic reaction, secondary test, a spring and a test. As we were talking here, I talked about this being a sign of strength and the last point of support. That rally also caught me off guard. I did buy the backup, sold too early, but get this thing back to 26, 23, 24. If the markets do come under pressure, I think that would be a home run buy. So we'll watch that. Dead to rights, you need a Discord invite. If you pay to Patreon, Nick will get you that, if that's what you mean. Patreon.com/learncrypto, 40 bucks a month. You'll be good for 12 days if you pay right now. If you pay for crypto, you'll be good for 30 days. Here's Mara. We'll talk about it since it's a Bitcoin miner. We had a quick 40% gainer in that. I would expect unbelievable 35 to 46 move last day. But I do think it'll come down here and test the lows again. I would be really interested in that down around the 28, 29 level. So that's something we're looking at. Hold on one second. Dead to rights. If you paid any time before now, you would have got that to your Patreon account. Nick's all over those, so maybe check that out, or Nick will check into it. Square is also one that we traded. It's back below where we sold it. That's one, again, maybe come down here and test the lows. I don't want to get too bullish yet. I want to see how this decline looks as we get it going. Tesla. Also could roll over here pretty well, I think. It starts breaking down here much lower. It'll look uglier. Bitcoin 57,830, Ethereum 1782. All of a sudden, a quick 42 below where we sold it. Thank you very much. You're right, Ordinary Raw. This is a tight-knit group. Everyone's a mod if they've been around, so we know you're new. We're all about business here. No playing around. It's all about the money. So let me run a disclaimer real quick for my regulators.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
All right, get that out of the way. Stock trading, crypto trading is risky. Do your own research. This isn't individual investment advice. Strictly for entertainment. After the triangle, I mean, we had the new highs again. I suppose we're going to go to 100,000 and get everybody excited. I'm not on record saying that, but I think we're doing a triangle. Worst case, maybe we collapse to 40,000 if stocks get ugly. But I still would say ultimately still higher. Stocks, I think, got a little bit of an issue. So we shall see. What's up? Glass, how are you? KA Glass. Getting burnt on Tesla, cool. If you're holding, you've had a pretty good run here, so nice to see you back. What's up, Andres? I know you didn't buy the top. I'm not really trading AB. Nick really hasn't either. I think maybe you put a trade on it early on, but that's one I would be interested in trading. So one we'll look at when we can pick this low, hopefully. Let's go back and look at something I should have went over yesterday when I did the update. It gave us that rally, which I was looking for the rally, so it wasn't a big deal. But let's look at Bitcoin USD Consolidated. As everybody knows, I was looking for an ABC up to 58, 59,000, so I want to show that, how that looked on the volume. Oh yeah, Andres. $25 minutes ago for the stock closing. Let's look at this here. Intraday volume, 140 exchanges. You can see lower right, yesterday when we were sitting around 54,500, you can see the volume came down here to a new low while price held. Somebody was supporting it there at 54.5. That got us a quick rally to 59 yesterday that I took the profit on and gave the sell. So still a lot of selling in the crypto with prices being held up. So I think crypto is still strong. But I think if stocks sell off, it's going to provide a little bit of headwind. If the dollar stays strong, same thing. Crypto could have a little bit of wind in its face. But you can see actually yesterday, the volume went to a new low for this whole move, while Bitcoin is still way above the low at 43,000. So doesn't mean we can't come down there and tag that. But I think it's telling you still that there's a lot of selling going on. Prices are holding up. So ultimately, I think we still go higher after we get this correction out of the way. But all the Bitcoin charts look that way. Volume, major selling from 62 down to that 52.5. We were a buyer down there. Actually, I did pick some up on Kraken at 52.5 for a few clients. Otherwise, we missed the Bitcoin. Just missed, really should have bought 53, sold 58, 59. We did catch it on Ethereum. On Litecoin, we had to buy at 190 and the low was like 190, 150. So a little bit of bad luck on the trades there to not get all three of those. But we'll keep it moving. So that's all I got. I'm probably going to run. I'm going to have to do a few trades coming into the close here for stocks. What up, Gary? So stocks still lower, crypto still lower, metals lower, dollar higher. Do your own research. I could be wrong. ZRX USD Consolidated. I'll show you what the monthly intraday looks like here. Dollar, I think, still goes higher. Here's ZRX USD. You can see big volume coming in off that low. So I wouldn't be scared owning some ZRX, but I do think it probably will pull back a little bit. That could be one that could lead us higher later. ADA, we'll look at the intraday here. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah, YS, we'll monitor that, but yeah, Ethereum could come under pressure. We've traded Ethereum extremely well here, so we're looking forward to more volatility. I've caught the low on Ethereum almost within the 5-minute lows, I think, the last 3 or 4 buys. So now here's ADA. Interesting volume chart. A lot of selling coming in. Not sure about that one. No strong opinion on ADA at the moment. Coinbase might have got the last sucker long for a minute. That's all I got. Let's go to the 15-minute. Bitcoin. Look for further weakness. Let's look for Ethereum to come under pressure. Cool, Craig. That'll work. That's what I would have done if you're trading, for sure. So that's it. Going to run a couple commercials on Crypto Discord, $40 a month. 550 people over there. We got a great community growing every day. If you're tired of trading, stressed out, wife's not happy, you're looking at the screens all day, you can hire us to do it for you. Because we stare at the screens all day. Tesla. I've been bearish since up here at 850, 860. I would still think some weakness. Still lower on Tesla. Ethereum's been a lot of sideways, but as I said earlier, I don't know if I have those marked. I thought I did. I've been pretty happy with Ethereum. We've been trading it pretty well here, so I can't complain. It'll dig in somewhere here and head much higher, I'm sure. So that's all I got. Going to run a couple commercials. Catch you guys tomorrow if we get any volatility. Appreciate the support. Like, share. Talk to you later.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365, 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100 plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight. Let's see.